Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to fix the problem of apps not being visible in Google Play Store due to the parental controls on TECNO Pova Neo 2. So firstly, let's open up the Play Store, and as you can see, if I'll try to search up some game, it won't be visible. Yeah, I cannot find it, so I cannot install it. So all you have to do is tap on your profile picture in the top right corner and go into settings. Now family, parental controls. Now you can either change the restrictions by typing in your PIN that you have set up previously and tap on allow all, let's say, or to page 18, 16, or just turn off parental controls completely simply by tapping on this switch. And that's all. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe, and if you have any more questions, write them in the comments.